Once I get my van back, I'm gonna start carrying one of these shutoffs on my van. I just run into this problem too many times. That thing was actually driving me nuts. It kept chirping. I unwired it. I don't know how anybody is in here working with that chirping. I'm not the best at soldering, but I tried really hard to get that good. So hopefully it's okay, but honestly, I can't water test it, so we'll see. Alright, so I just changed this water heater the other night. I was trying to figure out the date on that model. I'm gonna put the model number and the serial number on the screen, but this is crazy. I think it's 95. Just had a Panda Express for lunch. I got a medium drink. This is the size of the medium. Look how much the straw sticks out. All right, well, I appreciate the big drink, Panda Express. I would hate to see the large if I got a medium, so. Blocking installed right there. You ready to go upstairs and drill through it. Okay, so I put all my fittings in there. I only have, as of right now, I can only find one coupler, which is crazy. That's exactly why I'm organizing this, so that, you know, I know what I have. So that being said, I'm using a T, which I have plenty of. I'm using a T to form the pipe. So I'm kind of moving this back and forth, sure that, you know, my pipe shape, and I'm not going to damage the one coupler that I have down to, so about right there. Alright, so a little side note, my van is broke down, and I just want to say Not driving my van has been very, very interesting, to say the least. Only having about, you know, half of my tools, probably not even half, and really it's just supplies. So just having this pipe thread, I mean, I have some, but it's like dried out beyond belief. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on there. All right, now anytime I do a repair, I always like to test it, and I like to flush out the line. I think everything in the house is open though. Look at that. I've been to this place before, had to work on this furnace. It's extremely close, no room to work. Alright, all done. Wiped them off, cleaned them up, double checked for leaks, and I'm good to go.